Hey guys, it's Lydia here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to wear a graphic tee that's slightly different than how you probably normally would wear it. And a few of the t-shirts I'm wearing in this video I DIY'd, so if you'd like to see how to make DIY graphic tees, I will leave the link in the description above and below. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. For outfit number 1, I'm starting with a shirt that I DIY'd, and over top of it I am wearing this cardigan from Goodwill. And then I am just wearing these denim jeggings, also from Goodwill. And lastly, I am wearing these denim sneakers from Walmart. And that is it for this outfit. I love how cute it is, and it's perfect for any cooler months still around. For outfit number 2, I'm starting with this heart graphic tee I got from Walmart, and over top of it this lace bomber jacket from Goodwill. And I am wearing these peach pants and these white sneakers, both from Walmart. And yes, my sneakers got a little dirty when filming this. And that is it for this outfit. This is one of my favorites year round. It's so cute and springy, yet still works for any cooler winter months still lingering around. So for this last outfit, I am wearing this Superman t-shirt from Walmart. And around my waist, I am wearing this red plaid shirt from Goodwill. These fringed jeans that I DIY'd, and if you'd like to see a tutorial on that, it will be linked below. And lastly, I am wearing these high top sneakers I got from Amazon. And that is it for the outfit. I love how layered and more edgy it is, but it's still really fun and perfect year-round. You enjoyed that video, please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe below because I post fashion every single Friday and hairstyle videos on Monday. And be sure to tell me in the comments below which one of these outfits was your favorite and what video would you like me to do next. Don't mind the rooster, he's right over there. And don't forget to check out my fitness channel, which will be linked somewhere on the screen, and also check out some of my other videos, probably linked right around here. Alright guys, bye.